How you doing? Today we're going to make green salad. Why are you watching this video? Why is he making a green salad? Well, because there's green salad and there's green salad. So if you want, just chop a bit of iceberg up and there you go, green salad. We're going to do a few little bits extra today, make it really beautiful. So let's take a look. I've got some lettuce in there. Now you can choose any lettuce that you like. I'm not anti iceberg, by the way. You can use any type of lettuce or green leaf that you want. A little bit of white cabbage shredded, a little bit of celery, chopped parsley, some green bell peppers, thinly sliced cucumber, fresh mint, some green onions or spring onions. That's what we're going to get in a bowl, mix, and then we're going to make a nice simple dressing for it. Okay, so mixing bowl, and you can really play around with the amounts. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of the lettuce. Let's drop in the white cabbage, the fresh mint, the fresh parsley, the celery, the bell peppers, the thinly sliced cucumber. Now I've used mint and parsley, but you could of course be using something else, you know, like some fresh basil or something else there, and our green onions. Let me give that a mix, back in a moment. And there you go, little mix on there, already really vibrant, got some lovely flavours in there. Let's make a simple dressing. Okay, so little mixing bowl there, lemon juice or lime juice, olive oil. Now I've got about equal parts. You can play around with that. You want, some people like 1 part lemon to 2 parts of the oil. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, tiny amount of garlic, like some chopped garlic, like a clove, 1 or 2 cloves, and then some mustard. This is a fairly mild mustard. Go for something stronger if you want, like English mustard's very strong, or you can get those kind of grain mustards. Simply little mix. We've got a really easy, simple little vinaigrette. Grab our vinaigrette, pour that over our beautiful green salad. And then I like to just finish this with some walnuts. And there you go. So if you like, get a bit of iceberg, chop it up, and you've got yourself a green salad, or put a bit of effort in, a little bit of effort in there, and you've got this wonderful thing here. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.